shitters. This is the Shitters Watch channel. This is Mike Epp here, and I'm just here to tell you guys, welcome. Today I wanted to discuss the Gshock. This is my shitter. I think I've told you guys about this shitter before. Had a little bit of issues with it. Didn't like the fact that the display, I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it. That's the problem. It doesn't really, the digital display does not show up very well. Unfortunately, on this particular Gshock, it doesn't have the ability to change the lighting in the background of those digital numbers. So it basically doesn't show up in the daylight. It's very, I mean, it has to be really, it will if you kind of turn it at the right angle. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any adjustment for that. So that's a poor design in my opinion. You should be able to adjust the backlight on those digital numbers. Otherwise, it's a nice watch. I mean, it's really, if you just go by the analog, you're okay. It's got the, it's got the hands, and if you can read time, you're good to go. But unfortunately, I'm not too impressed with that design.